Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com right here in Honolulu, Hawaii on Oahu. And today I'm going to show you two real quick tricks that you can do with Gmail. And let me spend a couple of minutes talking. Sorry about that. I get plenty of notifications. Hey. Anyway. I get critics that tell me things like everybody knows how to do this or this information can be found anywhere. I'm not giving you new information. What I'm trying to give you is information my own in-home computer tutoring students, at least one for each one of these examples, told me that he or she did not know something. So this is where I'm basing my information on showing you guys stuff. And if you end up with someone using Gmail and you need to give them a quick tip on how to do something, show them this video. So today, I'm going to show you how to take this right here. See this icon? Oops, sorry, that's my Loom icon. Okay, so that's where, we get your email, your inbox, and sent folder, etc., etc. I've had a few computer clients that are kind of shaky with their mouse, and they would get there and then they would lose it again. So if you just go up to these three lines here that we're just supposed to automatically know means menu, and click on that, it'll stay. Okay. And the second little trick I'm showing you, I'm trying to make my videos very short. I think people are more likely to watch them and get something off of them. And so now we're going to do another trick here. We're going to go into settings here by clicking on this gear. And in fact, let me show you why we're going to go into settings first. Okay, here's a little email. Okay, so you see this icon right here? People who just got a Gmail or maybe even just got in computers, things need to be in good plain English for them, okay? That's why I'm doing this video. As an in-home computer tutor and a dual certified teacher, I'm used to making what may or may not be complex or at least technical things into plain, understandable, basic English. And this icon is not necessarily, unless I put my mouse over it, plain, understandable, basic English. So if you got grandma or grandpa just getting into Gmail, do this for them. Go into that settings like I showed you. Go into see all settings and find, I think it's called button labels. I'll probably, oh, there it is. I was going to say I'll probably pass it up. Click on text. Okay, and scroll down again. I'm scrolling down by using my mouse wheel. So just use your mouse wheel to scroll down, and then click on Save Changes, and that's all there is to that. Now watch this. Okay, if grandma or grandpa wants to know how to reply, there's reply right there in good old plain English. And that's all I'm showing you today. And it's that simple to do. So enjoy your computer, enjoy Gmail, and God bless you. Oh, here's my own information if you need to get a hold of me, by the way. And that's about it. So have a great day.